Thanks for stopping by, guys. Welcome to the elimination rounds. I'm talking about team number 1218.
Sponsored by Vulcan Spring, Metal Edge International, Paletti USA, Boeing Company, Urban Engineers, Chill on the Hill, Robertson's Flowers, State Farm Insurance, Ernst Tech International, and Springside Chestnut Hill Academy. They are Vulcan Robotics.
Our next team, well known for their community service, and yet they find themselves constantly having to answer, where is Wolcott anyway? I'm talking about Team 1071.
Sponsored by UTC-CT Aircraft and Wolcott High School. They are Team Max.
It's been a little while for our next team to be out here doing the elimination rounds, all the way since 2008. But this century back onto the field is showing some promise. Well, that tomahawk throw, I'm talking about Team 2170.
Sponsored by UTC and coming in from Glastonbury High School, they are the Titanium Tomahawks.
First weekend. Oh, it's a tough weekend to compete in first. These guys managed to put together a quarterfinal run. Not bad for week one. GSR. Tough competition there. I'm sorry, semifinals. They came here and really blew us away with a powerful shooter and an emphasis on driver safety. Let's hear it for Team 230.
Sponsored by UTC Sikorsky, OEM Controls, Pitney Bowles, Intuitive Surgical, and Shelton High School. They are the Galehawks.
This team was our quarterfinalists at WPI. They've tuned up that shooter. They've got a little more driver practice. And now they're ready to rumble. Let's hear it for Team 2067.
Sponsored by Bishop's Orchards, UTC, Rockwell Automation, Intuitive Surgical, and 4-H of Connecticut. They are Apple Pie.
Another first here. Their first time in the elimination round. This robot deserves it. This drive team deserves it. Let's put them together for Team 43-41-34.
Brought to the field by NASA, Time Warner Cable, JCPenney, Rayco of Schenectady, and Amsterdam High School. They are Amsterdam.
Quarterfinal four, match one. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Who will be the first to strike? Apple Pie and their partners. But they do not go unanswered as Vulcan and Team Max bring the chains. Now drivers step forward and take control of their machine. Vulcan Robotics running a little bit of defense in midfield, trying to slow down Apple Pie. They then break, sprint over to the human player, getting reloaded. Here comes 41-34. That's Amsterdam lining up mid-court. Shooter wheel spinning, finding its mark with 3. Six points. Vulcan Robotics hounding 230, pushing them across the field, while Apple Pie delivers some energy into the chains for the Blue Alliance. Now, 2 blue robots reloading. 230 trying their hand at a little bit of full court shooting action. But here come their partners, Apple Pie and 41-34. Now on the red pyramid, 2170 making quick work of their ascent. There's discs in their hopper, and it says prom on it as well. Slamma jamma. One of them falls out. Still good for a bunch of points for their alliance. Now, shy of 30 seconds remaining. 2170 safely at the 30-point hang mark. Apple Pie and their partners 230 and 41-34 going for more 10-point hanging. 10 seconds. Apple Pie locks in with 2, 1. Vulcan lifts off the ground as well. The match comes to rest with a bunch of robots suspended. Referees say that 2 of them are up. They're going to check with paper on the 3rd.
Won't you take me to Funky Town? 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 If you were keeping your eye on that, you know it was a close match. But did you guys know it was going to come down to a single disc differential between the 2 alliances? 1 2-point disc separates these 2 teams. Let's see the scores. 97-95 in favor of the Red Alliance.